Yahoo is buying social blogging company Tumblr for $1.1 billion. Why does Yahoo want Tumblr? Yahoo missed the social networking boat and hopes Tumblr's 100+ million users will be its in with Tumblr's younger demographic. Yahoo's new CEO, Marissa Mayer, in a Monday morning call with reporters, said she expects users will flow both ways, with Yahoo users joining Tumblr and Tumblr users joining Yahoo. It will also give Yahoo personal data on millions of individual users. How big is Tumblr? In April, the site had 36 million unique US visitors and another 80 million from the rest of the world. That's up from 58 million a year ago. The 6-year-old site has 175 employees. It also has more than 108 million blogs. As Mayer noted to reporters, all 10 top Hollywood studios use Tumblr. 8 of the top 10 global brands use it. But $1.1 billion? It's a figure not out of line with other high-profile acquisitions made by Yahoo's competitors. Last year, Facebook bought Instagram for $1 billion in cash and stock. Google in 2006 paid $1.65 billion in stock for YouTube. Where did Yahoo get the money? Cash, baby. Last year, Yahoo sold back about half of its 40% stake in Chinese internet behemoth Alibaba, netting Yahoo about $4.3 billion. It doled out a big chunk of that money to stockholders. Still, Yahoo's cash balance before the Tumblr deal stood at around $5.4 billion. What's next for Tumblr? More ads. Details on how that will work, TBD. David Karp, founder and CEO of Tumblr, has been reluctant to bring ads to the site. The company only generated $13 million in revenue last year, Karp staying on as CEO. Mayer says Yahoo plans to operate and grow Tumblr separately from Yahoo. We will not put Yahoo branding on the Tumblr website. We want to let Yahoo be Yahoo and Tumblr be Tumblr, she says. Her revenue goals and plans to make Tumblr a profit center are still vague, but Mayer made this promise: not to screw it up. That's the short answer.